Okay, we're going to make the sun energy pendants using citrine, carnelian, and tiger eye. You need 4 essential tools to make these pendants. This tool to actually create your initial loop. You need this flat one to finish off each wire. You need this one to make the bends in the loops. You need this guy to cut your wire. Then you need sterling silver wire or whatever metal you're going to be working with. You'll measure out and then snip your wire. Use as much or as little wire as you want. Then we create this first loop. Okay. I like to do 2 loops. You can do however many you want. And then you have to actually twist it a few times, and that keeps it from coming apart if your necklace gets tugged on or stuck on something. You now have this loop. And we're going to add our crystals. Our sun energy pendant starts with tiger eye, carnelian, citrine in the middle, another carnelian, and finish it up with our other tiger eye. So this will be the crystals we're working with. I like to have a pattern, obviously, that I like there to be a pattern from top to bottom. This also means that if you purchase it as a horizontal piece, that it looks really nice that way too, right? This will be a vertical, so it'll be standing up. Okay, and now you're just going to create all of those loops, spiraling around your piece. Okay, once you've created all your loops, this is obviously the most challenging or the most artistic part, to get it beautiful and evenly spread out. Then we're going to wrap the rest of the wire around the top, and you hide it on the back side of the pendant, whatever you choose to be the back. And for this, you need your flat nose pliers so you can really get a good grip. We loop it a couple of times. So again, wrapping the wire when you're making that first loop, and wrapping the wire here when you're securing the end, so that even if you're wearing the necklace and it gets tugged on or stuck in something, it's not going to pull the wire apart because you have secured it down. Now you need to make sure that there's no rough edge there to catch on your shirt. Okay, and now we get to do the next fun part, which is, if you see the front of this, this is just the wrap, but I like to add the little curves to make it have more personality. Again, your artistry here. This also has the secondary but important benefit of tightening the wire to really stiffen up the pendant so that you get rid of any wiggle. All right, and it doesn't take much to really add that personality. I'll end by showing you a better video of the finished piece. But here we go. So tiger eye carnelian, citrine, carnelian tiger eye. Tiger eye has that flash of the solar energy as well as grounding. It's great for motivation and goal completion. Carnelian has that sacral chakra moving up into the solar plexus energy for boosting your energy, boosting your mood, and also helps with seasonal affective disorder. And then citrine, which is our classic solar plexus sun energy crystal with that very, very light yellow. And it is great for abundance and for personal power. So there we go. All right. Let me know what other crystal combinations you'd like to see me make a pendant of, Or if you'd like to learn more about any of the specific pendants on the website, you can find them all at ivyandlight.com. If you want to learn more about the rest of the process that I go through, which is the sage cleansing, the Reiki healing, the packaging, all of that, I'll put those videos up at the top too, so you can see that easily.